Check out this Audi 2005 S4 Cabriolet for sale Greensboro. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle's top features include all-wheel drive, traction control, brake-actuated limited slip differential, traction control, stability control, brake assist, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance and aluminum wheels. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.